Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I will be doing my unboxing review of the LCD AA grade replacement repair kit for the iPhone 6s. I bought this off of Amazon. Not sure what the LCD AAA grade, I guess that's supposed to be their high quality. I believe I paid about $35 for this. This is what the box looks like. Of course, made in China. But what isn't anymore. Items include repair toolkit, iPhone LCD, and it says tempered glass. Well, packaging doesn't look too bad. I guess it's made by Tookoo. But yeah, let's get into it. So this is the iPhone that will be receiving the replacement screen. As you can see, it's been totally destroyed. It's been ran over. In the meantime, I've been using my trusty old 5C, which is still going pretty strong. I've had this for many years. I'll have to, since this is my first YouTube video, I'll have to cut out some of the process of opening it since I only got one hand and I gotta hold the camera. Excuse me, I'm not very prepared for this. Alright, let's see what we got here. Here we have the instruction guide. Product schematic. Hopefully it'll walk us through everything because I've repaired the screen on the old 5C before. That wasn't very hard. But we'll see about this. Let's see what we got here. Oh, here we got a screen protector. That's good. So I'll just put that to the side. Probably just I guess that was the tempered glass that they're talking about. Here we go. And this is the full assembly. I'm hoping this repairs my camera, because my camera on my phone was shot as well. Yeah, the camera doesn't work anymore on the iPhone 5C. We will have to transfer the button over. Shouldn't be a big deal, but we'll find out. These connections are very small. Yeah, we'll see what happens when we put it on. Hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully I'll get my camera function back. I'm not sure if this component has anything to do with it. But yeah, we shall see. Let's see what else is under here. It's a pretty big box for just that. What is this? Another screen protector, or what is this? I'm not sure. Maybe it goes inside the phone somewhere. We'll find out in a little bit. Here we got our full repair kit and toolkit. Looks like it comes with a couple, maybe Torx drivers, small, very small drivers, a little suction cup. And we got a little flat blade. Not sure if you can see it very well. You need to learn how to focus on this camera. Got our little Phillips, a little Torx bit. Guess just a little bezel popper thing to kind of trim. Removable piece there. Some tweezers. Very nice. And they feel pretty durable too. It's not something you would throw away. I guess you could just add it to your toolbox there. Or maybe you can get a full-time job doing this, repairing iPhones. And this comes with more stuff than I got with my 5C rebuild kit. Here's some wipes. I guess there's just, well, one says wet and one says dry, so sure. Alright, well, let me get started here. I wish I had something to set up this camera on, prop this camera up so you guys can see what's going on. Well, I guess mainly this was supposed to be a review about what was included in the kit, just just as a simple video. Kind of wanted to go ahead and do a repair video, but I don't have the capabilities to set my camera up, so we might have to just end this here. Again, we have a good instruction guide. It looks like, seems like it takes you through every step. According to Amazon, or on the Amazon site, the product listing for this said it can be completed in maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, know how that goes. That's all that comes in the box right here. Section cup, a little cloth here. Instructions. Let me try to get everything laid out here. There you have it. I know it looks like a mess, but this is everything that came in that box, and it looks like it should be good enough to fix our phone. We'll see if I can get it working and see how long it takes. Thanks for watching.